Just a quick video to show the difference between a properly prepared and colored part using sanding, adhesion promoter, 2 coats of primer, 3 coats of Automotive specialty paint in a spray gun, and 2 coats of clear, versus this piece, which was done with Rattle can bikini pearl, which you can see is not even the same color. This one's more of like a green, and this is definitely bikini. And then this one is not as shiny, and the coating basically just peeled right off. So this is DIY Rattle can clear coat. This is professionally sprayed with a 4K Automotive clear coat.